What's up, y'all? This is Tax Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to answer the question, does your LLC actually save you money on taxes? Check it out. What's up, everybody? My name is Uba, and I am the entrepreneur lawyer as well as the founder of the Uba Law Group, where we specialize in business formation and intellectual property to help you save money on taxes, protect your assets, and attract quality clients. Now today is Tax Tip Tuesday, so we're going to answer this question that I hear a lot. Does your LLC save you money on taxes? The answer might surprise you. So first of all, I want to give a quick breakdown of how an LLC works and what that means when it comes to your taxes. So an LLC is a state entity. Now what that means is that every individual state is what gives your LLC protection. LLCs are not a nationwide thing. If you're doing business in each individual state, you need each state to give you an LLC and give you that liability protection. So when it comes to taxes, taxes are done at the federal level. That means they're nationwide. So when it comes to the IRS, they do not recognize an LLC. So if you own an LLC, the IRS pretty much treats you like you're a sole proprietor. So to answer the question, does an LLC actually help you save money on taxes? Well, for 99% of the cases, it's no. An LLC does not help you save money on taxes. Almost any tax deduction that you can get with an LLC, you can get as a sole proprietor. There are a few exceptions, and we're going to get into that later. But the reason for this is, like I said, the IRS treats an LLC for tax purposes basically the same way as a sole proprietor. LLC is what's known as a pass-through entity or a disregarded entity. So when it comes to the end of the year, when it comes to doing your taxes, whatever profit or loss that your LLC makes, it passes through the LLC and goes to your personal tax return. Your LLC will have what's called a Schedule C, and that attaches to your 1040 federal tax return. So for example, if your LLC made $100,000 in profit, your LLC doesn't file its own separate tax return. All of that profit flows through or passes through the LLC to your personal taxes, and then you account for that $100,000 of income on your personal taxes. So for that same reason, there's no tax deduction or tax strategy really that's really based on the LLC. Does that make sense? All the LLC money flows through to your personal taxes. So if you can take the deduction with the LLC, you can take the deduction as a sole proprietor. Okay, now here's the major exception. If you want to be treated as an S Corp, then you need an LLC. That's the main strategy where an LLC will save you money. So what an S Corp does is saves you money on self-employment tax that you otherwise would have had to pay. Now, in order to take advantage of that, you need to set up an LLC in advance. You cannot go from a sole proprietor to an S Corp. That's something that you need an LLC for. So that's that main exception to the rule. That the LLC is what helps you get that S Corp status, and the S Corp is how you save big money on self-employment tax. But other than that, for the vast majority of cases, an LLC technically doesn't save you money. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Hopefully that'll help you think through and strategize. If you're still a sole proprietor and you're getting ready to make that move, know that the vast majority of exceptions and deductions and strategies and different things that you can use for an LLC, you can already use as a sole proprietor. But the LLC's main goal is to give you that liability protection. It's to distinguish your business from yourself personally. It's not the tax deductions like you'll hear a lot of people say. Just know what you're getting into. I still recommend an LLC for the vast majority of business owners, but just know that the taxes and the tax strategy can still be applied to non-LLCs, except mainly for that S corporation. So that's the tax tip for the day. If you have any questions about that, feel free to leave them in the comment. Feel free to share this with anybody that you think could use it. If you're trying to get in touch with us, like I said, we do business formation, strategy, as well as intellectual property protection for businesses and entrepreneurs. So just feel free to reach out to us in the comment section or reach out to me directly. So until then, keep on grinding. We'll see you on the next Tax Tip Tuesday. Peace. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, if it's bringing value to you, if it's helping you understand your business even more, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. We drop weekly videos about how to protect your business, how to save money on taxes, how to learn more in unique different aspects that'll give you a strategic advantage as an entrepreneur. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We appreciate it. Peace.